Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Holiday Inspection Suites here in Vermillion, South Dakota. We got Series 1 here to ride. That level pretty quick. It's a nice one. Go to 3. That's a little excessive, but it's a nice hotel, you can see. They did a renovation. Series 1, nothing really exciting, but interesting ceiling titles. It takes like 2 seconds to level. Let's go up one more time actually. The one thing I hate about newer Series 1 is that they put the phone right there. And it's so smooth that you can't even, like, you're thinking that you got stuck. Case in point, this is my first elevator video outside of a major city in South Dakota. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.